Nu kör vi! Hej allihopa! Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Say It In Swedish. I'm your host as always, Joachim, and today we're gonna talk about something that you would think is super straightforward, but it's not. And I'm talking about saying no in Swedish. And of course, saying no, you can do that. It's nej in Swedish. However, if you want to interpret what real Swedes are saying, they are probably going to tell you something between the lines, because we Swedes, we don't like conflict. It's important to be able to interpret Swedes, I guess. So I'm gonna give you a few phrases today that might mean be a straight no. This is a polite way to get a no from a Swede. The first phrase or word in this case is kanske or kanske. Both pronunciations are correct. And this means maybe. And if you're asking someone out and they say maybe, they most likely mean no, right? So this is like, take a hint, right? If someone says maybe, they don't want to stomp on your dignity. They just want to tell you that we will see, and then let everything just dissolve into thin air, right? That's what that maybe means. And like I just said in English, we'll see, we have the phrase vi får se. Vi får se. Vi får se. Vi får se. And this means we'll see. And this is also an answer to, do you want to do this with me? Or do you want to grab a beer, a coffee, whatever? Could you do this for me? Maybe? Can you do me a favor? I want this and this done. Please, can you help me? And then someone will say, vi får se. And that probably means no. The person don't want to tell you just nej. No, I'm not gonna do that. That's super rude in most cases. So we have this vi får se instead. We'll see. And then we have the straight up I don't know. Jag vet inte. Or more reduced, jag vet inte. Jag vet inte. And since we don't want conflict and we want to be vague, you could say jag vet inte. Jag vet inte. Jag vet inte. You could signal that you don't really want to, but instead of saying no, you just say I don't know, right? Do you want to grab a coffee? Jag vet inte. Jag vet inte. Kanske. Vi får se. If you're having a discussion with someone and a Swede says, är det verkligen så? Är det verkligen så? Is it really like that? That means that you're wrong. You're wrong. That Swede knows what's up, and you're wrong. But the Swede is giving you room to think and to realize that you're wrong on your own, so that you can say, "Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I'm wrong." So it's a very good hint to know about. Är det verkligen så? Lastly for this video, and lastly in this video, we have det tror jag inte, which means I don't think so. I don't believe so. I don't think so. And we can make use of this whatever, like we get a question about something and we don't really want to say, well, no, that's not how it is, boy. We just say, tror inte det. Det tror jag inte. Something like that. So we can tell you, you should really consider that this is not what you think it is, or whatever your question was. It's a no. Hopefully you learned something today, and if you want to learn more Swedish, you can check out sayidinswedish.com and all the lessons over there. I've got a bunch of new absolute beginner lessons for you there to ease you into the beginner course, so check that out. And if you want to talk to me and other fans and learners, you can do that on our Discord server. All the links are in the description down below, and if you want to support this project, you can buy my book, A Lagom Guide to Swedish. Links to that also in the description, obviously, or you can buy a subscription on sayitinswedish.com or on Patreon. And we will see each other in the next video. Alright, take care, ha det bra, puss och kram, hej då.